Hi guys, this is Aditya and welcome back to Adi's Classroom. In today's video, we're going to be discussing something interesting. We're going to be discussing about latitudes and longitudes. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and like and also hit the bell icon so you'll be the first one to watch our videos. So without wasting much time, let's move on. The Earth is one of the most amazing planets in the universe. It is the only place known to have life. Earth's atmosphere is filled with oxygen and 3/4 of its surface is covered in water. It is the home to the millions of organisms, wonderful oceans, and tall peaks. The Earth is the biggest of the four inner planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. In fact, the Earth is so big that it is difficult to tell the precise location of any place on the Earth. So in the 3rd century, Eratosthenes, a Greek geographer and astronomer, proposed a system of latitudes and longitudes. The imaginary lines drawn on the globe to form a complex grid are called latitudes and longitudes. The lines that run vertically around the Earth are called longitudes. These longitudes are denoted or expressed by a term called degrees. Each degree of longitude is divided into 60 equal parts called minutes. Further, each minute is divided into 60 equal parts called seconds. There are a total of 360 longitudes. Now you might ask, why only 360 longitudes? Let me explain. If you were to look at the Earth from the top, it would look something like a circle. We know that a circle has 360 degrees, so there is a longitude for each degree. Hence, there are 360 longitudes. The 0-degree longitude or the prime meridian passes through the Royal Observatory, which is in Greenwich, London. The prime meridian divides the Earth into two hemispheres, the Eastern Hemisphere and the Western Hemisphere. Latitudes. The lines that run horizontally around the Earth are called latitudes. Lines of latitudes are called parallels, and there are 180 degrees of latitudes. The distance between each degree of latitude is about 69 miles or 110 kilometers. The 0-degree latitude or the equator divides the globes into two hemispheres, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The 5 major parallel latitudes from north to south are 66.5 degrees north latitude or the Arctic Circle, 23.5 degrees north latitude or the Tropic of Cancer, 0 degrees latitude or equator, 23.5 degrees south latitude or Tropic of Capricorn, 66.5 degrees south latitude or Antarctic Circle. If that just went above your head, here's the picture, have a look at it. Now we know what latitudes and longitudes are, so we can describe the precise location of a particular place on Earth. So, for example, the precise location of Chennai would be 13 degrees 4 minutes 2.708 seconds north and 80 degrees 14 minutes 15.4212 seconds east. Similarly, we can calculate the location of all places on the globe like this. With this, we come to the end of today's video. Apart from locations, latitudes and longitudes have a wide range of utilities, which will be discussed in our future videos. So please make sure you subscribe and like to Adi's Classroom and hit the bell icon so that you'll be the first one to watch our videos. That's it for today. Till next time, goodbye.